Do you need your WAGO software fast? The WAGO Download Center is the easiest place to find it. Let's have a look. In the WAGO Download Center, you'll find software, firmware, libraries and documentation all centrally located in one place. This makes it easy to access the tools and resources you need for installation, configuration, programming and maintenance. You can find all available versions by simply selecting your desired software and scrolling down. You can also download the complete package using the green Full Installation button. To download the software, you need to be registered and have a WAGO account. We strongly recommend watching our other video for a complete guide to the registration process. One of the tools available through the WAGO Download Center is the WAGO Navigator. The WAGO Navigator is a software management application developed by WAGO that helps you organize and maintain your WAGO software in one central location. Once installed, it provides a clear overview of all software downloaded through the WAGO Navigator and notifies you whenever updates are available. The Navigator also gives you direct access to the WAGO Download Center, allowing you to browse, download and manage WAGO software from within the application itself. You can launch your application directly from the Navigator, making it the central starting point for your WAGO software environment. And if you already have WAGO software installed on your computer before installing the Navigator, those applications will be automatically detected and added to the Navigator. For those with limited expertise or little time, we offer a wide range of applications that have been carefully pre-configured by our experts, helping you save time and simplify your workflow. On the Solutions page, you can easily explore all WAGO applications and discover the different versions we offer, giving you a clear and complete overview of all the available possibilities. If you need a refresher, you can browse our range of tutorials and practical guides to help you get back on track. You'll find example projects and real-world applications to help you out. If you'd like to explore the programs in more detail, you can find additional documentation, technical information, user guides and helpful resources on the documentation page, giving you everything you need to better understand the available features, setup procedures and application possibilities. If you want to review everything at your own pace, be sure to visit downloadcenter.wago.com and discover it for yourself. Again, that's downloadcenter.wago.com. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our main channel for more updates on WAGO products, software, applications and much more. Thank you for listening and until next time.